Guess who's sick? You didn't sleep a lot tonight.
Maybe 2 hours. My sore throat is killing me.
My sore throat is killing me. And so all of the chores that Yura scheduled, I have to do now. But I'm not complaining because it's a fun chore. So I'm taking the GT3 today in for a service.
Are you excited?
I'm excited and a little bit scared because I haven't driven it for a long time. So, But yeah, it's the GT3 and then the gym and then pick up the GT3 back.
Then bring home some lunch.
Do you want me to bring home some lunch?
What else are we gonna eat?
Sam odložila auto, pa tak trikrat s njim rekla ne ga prati. So I just dropped off the car and I'm off to the gym on foot, which I haven't done in a long time. And then hopefully in the meantime, they'll have the car ready, fingers crossed. And fingers crossed they don't wash it.
Now I'm rolling through the city, living at the top of my world. Waking up to new views in the morning up under my girl. Yeah. This is what it feel like. This is what it look like. When you see it from the top, this is what it sound like. When it came from the heart that could have died on the block.
So Yura doesn't want to eat Brussels sprouts today, so I'm off to pick up some healthy vegan sandwiches. And this is what we do when we're lazy. Okay? Tamaris mate? Avocado, mozzarella, pa alfalfa.
Oh, I should tell you by the way, I came for everything. I will not run.
I got the food, got my daily dose of protein, and now I'm off to pick up the car.
They say the sky is the limit. I say that just scratch the surface. You see my lifestyle change. Now I'm high on purpose. Yeah, I'm fly on first class. The last shall be first, yeah, I outlast. Last left into the bank with the bag. I remember back then, way back. They was looking at me like I never be nothing, but I already knew. Now I'm pulling up.
Premium lunch delivery.
Jackie's gonna eat it all.
We just gave Conan a medal and a plaque.
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
So, while you were busy being sick, I took the liberty and designed a new t-shirt for our new store.
Okay.
And I want to show it to you and just see your reaction. You might not like it, but I think it looks pretty awesome.
Okay. Nice. I like it.
We can use any other outline.
We could do a GT3 cup or something. Or
Yes. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you the concept.
Yeah, I like the concept.
For the quotes collection, I was thinking of having different designs for every quote. So many ideas. Brainstorming for today. It's the middle of the night, actually.
It's 11 p.m.
It's 11 p.m.
Don't exaggerate.
What? And we're stuck doing stupid things. We have a cap, and we're trying to see which one will be able to flip it on its head first. Nope.
Now that the lights are on. Now she wants to play. Almost.
I think Jackie can do it. That could count. I don't even know if we can if this can happen,
Yeah.
yeah.
Doable. Want to do some cooking.
High five, big bang. We're on our way to a meeting.
Mud says cranky. True story.
I'm bringing snacks. For me, while I'm in the car, not for the people on the meeting. Not a true story though.
Me, I don't go where the money go. The beat don't go where the fanny go. When I say hop, see the bunny go. I give no fucks cause I run the show. You know. Hey, me, I don't go where the money go. The beat don't go where the fanny go. When I say hop, see the bunny go. I give no fucks cause I run the show. Hey.
Telefon, denarnica, crema za roke. All good. Today, we're off to some sort of a reunion? Yeah. There's something that we need to take care of first. And that's
We need to buy some baby stuff.
baby stuff. Which is something that
We have no idea.
no idea about, no experience. We're just not good at it.
Nope. I'm sure we're gonna be fine.
Yeah, I'm sure too. V najinem stilu, neki butastega. We do not know which way to go. Plačila?
Pa igrače tu.
Pa igrače tudi, ja.
Igrače nekje 5 mesecev imate tam čisto na koncu, tile naprej pa nekje do odkole.
Ok.
Koliko moramo pa gledati številke? Ja, ok, najlepša hvala. We're so bad at this.
That's nice.
Ok, tu smo že tako pri naprednih igračah. Ja. We found it.
To je 12 mesecev plus.
Porsche pa ni stari. What do you buy a kid that's 6 months old? Ti so lušni. A so jim všeč tako lušni cingla? A misliš, da je mogla nekaj kar cingla? Oh, Mr. Bean! Mislim, da ne. Odločamo se, ja. Koliko velikost moram gledati za 10 mesecev?
Mislim, da znam predstavljati, da je to še bolj.
Ne vem, stari. Don't ask. How much time did we spend there though?
Like half an hour.
Two idiots shopping at the baby center. Car's not warmed up yet, bro.
I know, bitch. But I am.
Woo! After 3 weeks of rain, the sun is out again. And just like that, you decided not to go to the gym and instead go for a drive.
And I'm just realizing that the windshield is dirty as hell.
And you will not wash it.
No. That's gonna make the whole car dirty.
They don't love you when you cold now. They just want you when you hot. They just want you for your spot. Now they think you forgot.
We've got the coffee, we've got the groceries, and now It's time to make lunch.
All the times you was down bad and they laughed at you. Now you up, now they mad at you. Taking
Oh my god. Oh my god. We got something. We got something.